What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. We're right here, as y'all watched in the previous videos. We have a John boat right here. This video is, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can, well, we're not gonna see, we're going to is build a front deck for it. Right here across this, we're gonna put a live well in the middle right there. Then this right here is just gonna be open. We're gonna go ahead and put another back deck right here for me to go ahead and stand on the back to fish off of. Then we're gonna order another gas powered motor instead of having just a battery one. But yeah, hopefully we can get all this going.
What you doing, man?
Nothing, just making an intro. What are you doing, man?
I just came in the mail.
What's that? Oh, here we go.
Looks like we got a video coming up.
Yeah, I was just telling them what we're gonna do.
See? Side.
Telling them we're gonna build that deck, the live well, put another deck in the back, then a spot for batteries and everything extra. Then we're gonna run all the wires. But
It's gonna be good.
as of right now, we're gonna go ahead and go to the store and pick up everything that we need.
See y'all at the store. All right, guys, well, we've made it to Lowe's. We were gonna see if we could film inside, but I don't think it'd be right now with all of this virus stuff going around. Remember, wash your damn hands. We'll see y'all after we leave.
Welcome back. We're right here. We just left Lowe's, got everything we need. We got carpet, everything, all the screws, plywood and everything. We're gonna go ahead and build the boat. We spent $319. What you think about that?
Better be a good boat.
The deck better be worth it.
Yeah, it better be.
But then,
got
yeah,
stuff for a live
well
well.
and everything.
All we gotta do is get a pump for the live well, and they sell that at Walmart for $20. I already seen it the other day. I didn't pick it up though. Just gotta go get it. They sell it with a switch. That one at Walmart, they sell with the switch. Yeah, we'll see y'all when we get to the house. We gotta rescue a little fella today. Hush. Look at this little guy. Someone put him out in the street.
Someone painted him.
Little turtle. Come on, buddy.
I'm not gonna put him in the water. It's not a water turtle.
We'll just put him right here.
Can I jump across?
You wanna make that jump?
Watch.
Get the little guy out the road. He's almost gonna get ran over out here.
Alright guys, so we got the measurements finally laid out here. After a long time of arguing and everything about it, we finally got it done. But Now we're gonna cut it, test fit it. Then after that, we got carpet to lay on it. Gonna let it dry a few nights, and we'll show you that after when it's done. But then after that, well, actually before all that, I forgot we gotta test fit this. Then we're gonna cut out the live well right here. Then get that all set up. Then we'll carpet it, make the door for the live well and everything. Then we'll get the pump, make sure it's all running perfectly fine, see if a fish will survive in it and whatever. Then we'll put it all together. Then later on in the future, we gotta get an idea how to build the back for it. So. Alright guys, we got everything cut now. Now let's go for the test fit. Let's see.
Watch out for the splinter. Well, you ain't got no splinters. Hopefully we done it right.
Let's see. So I have to sand the edges off.
No, cut it. Just cut it.
A little deeper.
Well, the edges, all we gotta do is just make fucking cuts here.
Alright. Back to the cutting shop. Alright, now we got the deck fit perfectly, but now we're gonna go ahead and start building the foot pedal trolling motor bracket. But right now we gotta go pick up the rivet gun and the rivets and some drill bits. So we're gonna run to my house and pick those up, and we'll be right back. What do you think about the progress, Michael?
I'm glad it's getting done. We've been talking about it for over a year now since we've had the boat. I'm glad we're getting it done.
Is that all you gotta say?
Best $319 we ever spent. Not gonna lie.
No. What about all the 10 reels we got in there?
Well, yeah.
Got you on that one. Alright then, well.
I can't wait to put it on the water.
Maybe we could do an MTV slam tomorrow.
Sounds fine with me.
Yep. Alright, well, we're going to run and get the rivet gun and the drill bits. We'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. So, we had a whole change of ideas. Instead of putting the live well up front, we're going to go ahead and build a box for me to stand and sit on in the back of the John boat instead of building a whole deck across. But we're going to make the box big enough for our live well to be inside and for us to have a latch on top of it so we can get into the live well. So should hopefully go out good, but we just thought of this crazy idea. Instead of building a whole deck in the back, we'll be fine with this one. Alright, final product. Oh yeah. Nothing a little cleaning won't fix.
I got a vacuum. Looks good for a 2-hour project, I'm not gonna lie.
The cutting took us forever.
It feels good too. One thing we gotta worry about is our hooks getting stuck in it now.
Yeah, alright.
I got pliers.
I was about to say we got pliers. And now the live well tomorrow.
Yep. Backside, all it is staples, people. Staples and some adhesive. Lowe's, got it. Lowe's needs to give us a sponsor on the real.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, leave a like and a comment down below. Thank you for tuning in.